Hi, everybody. Oh my God.
Jesus, Jesus, no, oh my God, Lord Jesus Christ. Lang, naglinog lang, lang. Jesus Christ, Jesus, makatras ka pa. Dili na, itawag, malito na. Lord Jesus Christ, Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus.
Lightning strikes construction site in Puerto Vallarta.
¿Viste ese güey? ¿Prendió ahí algo, no? Sí, güey. No mames, las varillas. La varilla, pero. Sí, güey, no mames. Ay, güey, poniéndose. No mames, se prendió ahí algo, güey.
In just 10 seconds, a tornado swept through houses in Vinh Bao Commune, Haiphong. Strong tornado in Yen Can Ninh Binh in Vietnam.
Trời ơi! Trời ơi! Ui, trời ơi! Lốc xoáy lột hết tơn đi rồi. Trời ơi, may mà nó không thấy là cái số nhà ấy em. Ui trời ơi, cô Trang. Hết tơn rồi. Cái này là ngoài dòng xoáy đấy.
Landslide caused by floods in the Carpathian Mountains. The bridge collapsed in Cristobal. Luckily, the boy avoided it. A gazelle driver caused the horrific scene. Oh my goodness. Luckily, nothing serious happened. Unbelievable. Have you ever seen anything like this? A pothole on the road suddenly cracked when a car drove into it and fell down. The tornado is gradually weakening. A heavy storm in Malinque swept away tree branches and belongings. Earthquake during a visit to Unominato Shrine in Kanazawa City. A ship crashed into another small boat that was stopped at the shore. Oh, so beautiful. The tractor trailer slipped off the container and crashed into a lamppost in the middle of the street. The moment the historic three-eyed stone bridge collapsed due to heavy rain in the Borchka district of Artvin. Heavy rainstorm on August 25 inches central Vietnam. Flying objects during Typhoon Jebi, the strongest storm to hit western Japan. Haha, looks like he's catching up. Mammatus clouds form after a storm hits Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Tornado storm comes through.
How do sheep get up on the roof? This is exactly why signs say, do not feed the animals on any safari trip.
It says don't feed the sheep. Oh no! Oh no! It says don't feed the sheep.
The powerful storm toppled trees on hills and roads.
Come inside. Come inside, girl.
Video captures the moment a powerful earthquake was recorded in Mexico. A tornado hit an industrial area in Jatinangor District, Sumedang Regency, West Java. The large iceberg slid off the roof and shattered like an avalanche. Video of the explosion at a paper factory in Tainan this morning. Hopefully there are no casualties. Floodwaters rushed through a tourist village in Sapa, Vietnam. Unexpected fire truck accident in Paraná. Powerful flood disaster. Hope everyone is safe. A truck carrying tofu dregs crashes into the ice town of Mixu. Luckily, the boy dodged in time and was safe. The landslide dragged mud down below nearby homes. Ouedziz Bridge in the community of Safalat near Qasr Abadou. Wow! SpaceX Starship's flare reflector at the launch pad is pressure tested. The well collapse sank and gradually disappeared. Hurricane Hilarita in Rosarito, Baja California swept everything away in mud. Camera recorded a horse trying to kick a house. The powerful stream of water rushed into the house, sweeping everything away. People were standing watching the floodwaters sweep away the bridge. The giant iceberg is breaking off. Lightning strikes the power line, causing it to short-circuit some protective devices such as fuses. The hail pounded the road. He didn't seem to notice the glass door. A terrible storm in Moscow, this cyclist found himself surrounded by fallen trees and dodged in time. Powerful lightning strikes down below houses and roads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to be the first to see our new videos.